They'll be calling me royalty.
And I'm about to go for my first run here in Floripa. I'm currently just warming up. Let's start the first run in Brazil. Alright, I'm taking the Trilha de Longo Curso do Parque Estadual do Rio Vermelho. It's a long name, but yeah, I'm here and I'm gonna do this route here, I think. It's more of a trail run for sure, but yeah, where we live right now, there's no really like a place to go for a street run, so I don't know, a trail run it is, I guess. But I love trail running. I just hope it's fine with my knee, and yeah, let's see. Alright, so I haven't been doing a lot of running yet because there was just sand everywhere, dunes everywhere, but I found a little trail now, I think. Alright, I found the other trail to go back to the street, kind of, or back to a trail, because this way is to the beach, and here I can go back to the trail or the street. I'm not sure, but we'll do that one. Alright, I found a good trail to do some running, so that's nice. So I finished my run in front of a padaria, like a bakery, to get stuff for my boyfriend, and I already got some fruits in the shop next to it, so I'm finishing my run now. I only did like 3.2 kilometers, but it's the longest I've done so far after my injury, so yeah, it was really nice. I mean, I still did a lot of walking in the dunes and on the trail and stuff, so it's definitely like, I don't know, maybe 7 kilometers in total. It's funny how they put their trash here always like up in a container because of the stray dogs and cats. This is the street we live on, but we live pretty much at the end of the street, which is nice because then we don't have it far to the beach. And here we are. Breakfast. So after the run I didn't have time to do the cupping at home, so I'm just doing it on the go.
You give me the loyalty. Cause I'm taking the world, you'll see. Cause I'm taking the world, you'll see. They'll be calling me, calling me. They'll be calling me, calling me. They'll be calling me royalty.
Alright, the workout is done. I hope you can hear me. I forgot my microphone, but yeah, it's just a beautiful day to start the day, like with a workout by the beach. I mean, come on. So I'm on the way to my boyfriend's jiu-jitsu class, and I'll see if I can film there.
Let's go. I wake up to a little bit of drool on my pillow, feel like it's gonna be a bad day. Yeah, I'm tired of shit, and the coffee ain't hit yet, damn, ain't that great. I don't wanna go to work, cause my boss is a jerk, and I'm not even that paid.
Que vocês possam voltar para casa melhor do que vocês chegaram aqui, tá? Vamos exaltar. Nosso que estás nos céus, santificado seja o vosso nome.
On my way to my third class of Pilates.
No hay ninguna como tú, ¿entiendes?
Third class of Pilates is done, and there's always different students, different classes, but usually just like 3 people, and yeah, it was so much fun. Alright, I had to stop filming because I just met my neighbor. Yeah, so anyway, it was very fun. Today there was a focus on the glutes because I told him I have some knee problems, the teacher, and he focused on the glutes and the backside of my legs to strengthen the knee and stuff, which is really nice. Yeah, and it was really hard, but very good. And now I have to get ready very fast because we're driving to the center to have lunch with my friend. Alright, we are at this cute little cafe. I don't know if you can hear me, but we're having some cake, coffee, and some smoothies. And it's so cute here. We're in Lagoa da Conceição, that's the area here. And yeah, it's a very nice Saturday. Alright, so I'm off for my first Brazilian lymph drainage. I don't even know how to say it. But I'll try to do a before and after photo or video so you can see the effect of a lymph drainage. So yeah, I'm really excited. So this is the massage room, and this is the view out the window. Nature.
Love the chase and the hunt, and I set the pace when I'm running. I always take what I want and I always give it 100. Don't need a bank, no I'm funded.
So as you could see, I went to my boyfriend's jiu-jitsu class. It was a different club than the last time. But yeah, it was for an hour. I just went there and filmed him a little bit. And how did you feel?
It was very good.
Uma sopinha só às vezes. Esse friozinho ainda até no sábado.
Hey guys, so I'm currently working on my second Brazil vlog. I came back from the functional training half an hour ago, showered, made myself a coffee, and now enjoying it in the hammock here. The weather is supposed to be very nice. I mean, it's sunny already. It's 8:30 a.m. So yeah, I'm just gonna work on the vlog a little bit and then wait for my boyfriend to wake up, and then let's see what we do for the day. We are about to drive to a restaurant nearby to have lunch at a all-you-can-eat buffet. That's our favorite here. Like in every corner they have all-you-can-eat buffets for like 6 or 7 euros, which is amazing. It's that restaurant we go to, our friends, I don't know. And that's the first one, and we are for sure getting a second one. And the second plate, the buffets always kill us. So yummy, but we always have 2, sometimes 3 plates, and then we're so full for the rest of the day, or at least until dinner. We are so full. Oder?
So fucking cool.
Just very, very full, but it was delicious. I made a lot of potatoes, sweet potatoes, and manioc, and other greens. They always have like a good selection of vegetables, and I think it was okay. And they also have a good way to the beach. So my boyfriend is out there trying to catch some waves on his bodyboard. I'm drinking my coconut water. I love coconut water. And also reading my book. Thursday morning, or like it's 11:40. We are off after brunch. We already had some cake. It was this cafe we were going to, and they also offer brunch. It's our first brunch in Brazil. We're usually really like brunch people. We love brunch, but here we transformed more to lunch people because they offer those buffets here, like all you can eat buffets. But yeah, we're gonna try a brunch spot because it looked really nice and the cafe was very good. And I got a little bit sick. I think it's just like a mild cold. It's just like my nose is running, which sucks. And I'll show you the brunch that we ordered, and yeah, I hope I can taste something. But the coffee this morning I tasted still, so it's a good sign. And we are here. This is the cafe. Last time we sat there inside, now we're outside. It's not too cold. We're waiting for our food. As I said, waiting for our food, we did the order on our phones and then they bring it out to us. It's a really chill vibe cafe. It looks really nice on the outside, and yeah, they have a sitting area closer to the lagoa as well, to the lake, but the palm trees kind of block the view, so we just decided to sit here. We got our coffee that is included in the brunch, and we got our 2 detox smoothies. They're made out of cucumber, pineapple, ginger, mint, and coconut water. I ordered it last time, it was so yummy. So we got our food. It looks delicious. There's gluten-free bread with avocado and mushrooms, a gluten-free and vegan cake with goyaba, huge fruit bowl, orange juice, also gluten-free bread with beetroot hummus, little rice cakes with avocado, eggs, yogurt with granola, and a little brigadeiro. Bon appetit!